Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Coney Island hot dog sauce with just a few ingredients. So let me go ahead and get moved over to the stove and I'll start bringing it together. I've started off by browning up 1/4 pound of ground round for roughly 4 to 5 minutes. It's now cooked all the way through, so the next thing I'm going to add in is 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard, 1 tablespoon of the minced onions, 1/4 cup of sweet pickle relish, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and finally 1½ cups of water. Now that this has come up to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and reduce my heat down to a low setting and allow it to simmer for 30 minutes uncovered here on the stove. After simmering for 30 minutes, the chili sauce has thickened up beautifully, and now all I have left to do is try it out. It's definitely got a unique flavor from any other hot dog sauce I've made in the past. I get little hints of the mustard, and I definitely pick up on the pickle relish. It kind of helps cut through some of the richness that the tomato paste adds into it. There is a tad bit of sweetness from the sugar, but that just kind of helps balance out some of the acidity, again, from that tomato paste. Overall, a really good hot dog sauce and something I will definitely be making again in the future. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you so very much for joining me today. I've been Bulker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.